And we're back, winners, with this 2020 BMW X5, and the winning team is going to modify it. This family sports SUV by BMW is a winner. It's rated 4 out of 5 in Car and Driver. From the interior to the rims, this looks great. But the owner wanted to come in so he could have some privacy and style by getting 20% in the 2 front doors and 35% on the front windshield. Stay tuned while the winning team tint it out. This car is great stock, but now it looks like a real winner. 20% on the 2 front doors and 35% on the front windshield. The reason why he's putting 20% on the 2 front doors is because he wants to match the back half, which most SUV models come with 20% factory dyed windows. Does anybody out there want to win free tint? Well, join us live at 9 p.m. every Wednesday where we give away free tint. And all you have to do is tune in, go inside our live chat and write winning show, and you enter to win free tint. And after the raffle, we have a winning lottery. For those who are lucky, they win cash prize. So if you want to be a winner, stay tuned every Wednesday at 9 p.m. where we go live. Until the next car comes, stay winning, winners, and watch this BMW X5 roll out. This is how it looks like from the inside looking out with no tint. Plain. Fishbowl. Fishbowl is not for winners. Now this is how it looks with tint from the inside looking out. Barely any difference. That's why you should come through and get your tint done by the winning window tints.